Hello. Propose me task to do today.
Hello, you have had an incredibly productive day in the business pillar, especially with the product hunt launch. To maintain balance, I suggest 3 objectives for the rest of your day. 1. Reply to comments. 2. A 45-minute strength training session. Or 3. 30 minutes of tech-free reading to decompress before sleep. Which would you like to tackle?
Let's go with the tech-free reading.
Excellent choice. Focusing on your personal pillar is the perfect counterweight to your high-intensity business day. It will lower your cortisol. Here is your plan. Disconnect your phone, set a physical timer, and just focus on the book.
Okay. Have you added the objective to my list?
It is currently marked as in progress. I haven't marked it complete yet because you're about to start. Would you like me to set a reminder to check back in with you in 30 minutes?
Yeah, set a reminder.
Done. I've blocked that time on your calendar. Enjoy your reading.
Thanks. Actually, before I go, can you draft me a nice chart of my life pillars? I want to see where I stand.
Generating that now. The digital whirring sound as data visualizes. Here is the snapshot. As you can see on the radar chart, your business and work pillars are peaking. You are performing at an elite level there. However, look at the bottom left. Family and travel are currently your cold zones.
Yeah, I see that drop-off. Okay, I want to fix the family pillar. I want to visit a family at Parcells Assini.
That is a fantastic move. Reconnecting with loved ones in Parcells Assini will provide the mental reset you need. Since today is Friday, perhaps tomorrow would be the best time to go.
Maybe. Firstly, I want to see it on a map.
Pulling up the map of Parcells Assini, Dakar now. It's a short trip that will significantly boost your family pillar.